guys, it's Jeanette over here in Rose 14, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you could hit that subscribe button, your support means the world to me, as always. Alright, so my daughter had a sleepover last night, and this is the leftover mess. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to tackle all of this, get it cleaned up here. You know, this is like my favorite little spot anyway to clean up. So let's get started. Being married to a videographer, today's video is being supplied by my husband and his videography group, Clover Media. So yeah, you get to see a great video today. Great editing and all that. He is the best, the love of my life. My husband always asks me, where do I begin when I start cleaning? And I think it's always just the floor. Just picking up everything off of the floor just makes it the start of the task. I'm going to deflate this blow-up mattress real quick while I get other things done. The blankets that I use for guests and everything, I kind of just tuck them behind the green case here. Just gotta hide them back there, so they're just easier also to grab if somebody wants to come up here and just relax and pull out a big comforter. So now that everything is piled up here at the top of the steps that need to be taken down, I'm gonna go ahead and take those down to the laundry room, take the extra pillows down to the guest bedroom, because that's where I keep that extra one that I have. And then I'm also going to grab the big vacuum, my big Deuce vacuum. Needs to be emptied. Probably haven't cleaned out this mattress since we moved it up here, and knowing that she's had a couple of sleepovers up here, and I did let them bring some snacks at times. Probably a good time to go ahead and clean that out. So just gonna wrap it up with some dusting now. So that is it. Again, big shout out to my husband, best videographer I've ever met, and his support and his love and all of that. He's the best. That's it. Thanks for watching.